SL Auto, Zuluboy mechanic here. So today I'm working on 2013 Dodge Grand Caravan. The issue with this van is the wipers would stop right in the middle of the windshield. The cause, initially I assumed it was the alternator, but after doing the test I was able to figure out that the wiper motor was the issue, drawing quite a lot of amperage. So it's very easy to change this. First of all, I shouldn't be doing this with moving parts, but anyways, I'll be careful. So you have this right there and the wiper arms coming through right here. So first of all, you have to take off the wipers or the wiper arms. I have one right there. It's a 15mm bolt. Take off that, and sometimes can be pain to pull these wiper arms out. So of course I have a tool to use. I mean, you can buy these from anywhere, any auto store or parts store. They'll sell this. Canadian Tire will sell it as well. So I went to junkyard anyways to pick up another wiper motor. It was only about 20 something bucks, and then my time to pull it honestly took me like 5 minutes to get it out of another car there. This was the old wiper motor that was causing the problem, and I've already replaced it. Only about 4 or 5 things holding it, because you have your connector right here, and you have the 15mm bolt there, then 3 torques holding it on the side. Once you remove that, swap it, and right now I have it on the fast speed, and as you can see, everything is moving perfectly. There's no intermittent or anything stopping, it's just going. That's exactly what we want to see. And I've checked my voltage while I had this running, of course, to make sure my battery is still holding at least above 13 volts, with all the lights on and AC on and the radio on, just whatever can draw power, cause the alternator to work hard. It's still holding, everything is perfect. So anyways, I thought I would share this with you. If you have any questions or about this or how to do it, just shoot me a text. Thank you so much for watching my videos and also for supporting SL Auto, Zuluboy Mechanic. God bless.